Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Charlie. We have T behind the camera and we are continuing our US road trip. We're currently in Memphis, so in all things TNC style, we're going to give you a room tour. So we are staying in the Hotel Indigo in downtown Memphis, and this is a standard room, standard double room bedroom. So let's have a look around. We'll start as always with the door. See the safety of the system, safety of the system, safety of the door. So we have a lock down here and the one up here. Safe enough by the looks of it. I think if you put those on, you should be able to sleep comfortably knowing, you know, you're protected. So right next to us also is the aircon as you hit the room. Aircon's interesting. Of course, you have the up down just to do the heat. You don't, or we haven't seen a change from Fahrenheit to Celsius, so it looks like it's just all Fahrenheit. And then you have cool and hot, and then fan high and low. Interesting about this one, T will tell you, is it heats up very quickly.
Do you want
cools down very quickly.
Turn it on just so that they can hear how loud it is?
Of course. Give it a second. There we go. So I'm not sure if that's coming across on the video or not. Obviously we turn it off for the video so you don't hear it either way, but maybe you can hear it. It is loud. For me, I like all that kind of noise. Sleep great with a little bit of that noise. T not. So if you are a light sleeper or you don't like white noise while you sleep, you're going to have to sleep without the aircon on.
Without breathing.
Without breathing. We have the bathroom obviously behind here, but we wanted to just point out one of the things about this door is it looks cool. I like the look. I like the vibe of the room in general. But one thing to note, the design of the door, you can actually just see straight through. If you just were to do it from this side, you can see the toilet, you can see the shower. So privacy, but not complete privacy, something worth noting. And then let's move in to the bathroom. I actually really like this. I think it's fresh, I think it's modern. It's clean in general, and very nice. So first off, of course, T's showing around, we have our counter, one sink. I know T loves his and her sink, but in an Indigo hotel, I think you're asking for a bit there.
I like it. Majority of the time, I can do without it.
You can deal without it, but those that are new to the channel know this.
Lovely vanity.
You know, double sink is bonus points for T. So nice vanity station. I can tell you, not because I've done it myself yet, but T has makeup here, great spot, right? Great spot for makeup.
Yeah.
And then if we switch places, you will see the toilet, as always, where everyone does their business. A couple of nice pictures, and the hotel has like this sort of, these pictures, this sort of theme all around. It kind of runs with the whole Music City vibe of Memphis, so it's really cool. And then here we have the shower. Nice big roomy shower. Of course you get shampoo, conditioner, body washes, all of that good stuff. So of course, in all things TNC fashion, we need to turn the shower. I am going to say, we've been here a couple of days. We've obviously used the shower because, you know, we do clean like normal people, you know, dirty.
Thank you for clarifying.
We're going to turn it on. Before I do, what I have to say is, I'm going to struggle to do this without getting wet, so I'm going to try my best, but we will see. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ah, that's not what we... There we go. Boom. One of the things we struggled with, it's very temperamental. You often get both on at the same time. So now, I need to try and get back in there and turn this off. There we go. It's going to run a little bit and stop, but that wasn't too bad. Nice shower, very hot, very warm.
Yeah.
Can't fault it. Let's go. Into the main room. So this is a good view of the room. One big square room, as you can see. Nice and spacious. I like the vibe. I like the set. I like the artwork. I like kind of the chair. I like all this. They're really sticking with the Music City vibe and sticking with the Memphis vibe. And I just like it. I think it's quite cool. Make it just a bit of personality, especially when you've got a chain hotel like this. Give it personality to the city you're in. Gets bonus points from us. So over here, we do have tea coffee machine, bonus points. First tea and coffee machine we've had on this US road trip, I think, in the room. So nice mirror in here, a very big area to hang up your clothes, plenty of hangers, your irons up the top, and it's actually mirrored all the way through as well. So if that mirror there is not enough for you, you've also got some extra mirror. So that's there. Here we have some drawers, and on this side we have a fridge. And this fridge is completely empty. You can fill it up with all kind of good stuff, water and vodka, if you're anything like us. The essentials for your fridge. So let's keep moving around. Each of these lights are done individually by the bed, but the rest of them, there is a master switch here by the door. Let's keep going through. As always, T loves a workstation. I don't know why, because we don't do any work when we're travelling, but she likes a workstation. That's good. TV. Wardrobe. So all these cupboards or wardrobe? What's the word?
There's drawer space.
Drawers space. Neither of those words. So drawers. We have 3 of them here. They're all exactly the same. I'm going to pull one out.
The tidiest one.
The nice clean one. Nice and pull out. Aircon unit underneath. Nice little chair. I haven't sat on this chair. Let me give it a go. No, it's not a comfortable chair. I probably don't look comfortable.
No.
But, you know, it's a chair if you need it. Bedside cabinets, plenty of room. And for those of you wondering, and I've kind of worked this out already, no safe in the room, which gets marked down from us. We find that a little bit strange. I think every hotel really should have a safe in the room if you're travelling with a lot of stuff. So don't really like that ourselves, but it's important for you to know if you are someone like us that likes to have the safe in the room, there isn't a safe. We did ask down at reception and the answer was just no safes. So it's not even like there's a central space where you can lock things up. No safes in the room at all. So for us, we're on the 8th floor, and outside we actually have the pool, which T might be able to show you. But you can see something about this room. The hotel has been very quiet, so no one has been out there. It is, what, November now, so I guess it's probably not peak swimming season in Memphis. But you can imagine if people were, they're literally right by your window. So keep that in mind if you are staying here. If you don't want to be by the pool and have people right close up to you, then maybe put that on. Don't want to be on that 8th floor. So let me show you what we have here. Drawstring. We have the day one, as always. Try not to hit the floor as you go. And then we have blackout curtains. And the room has properly kind of got dark, right? It's really works, really keeps the room at night nice and dark. Great. And I'd say there's not been a huge amount of sound. We haven't heard too much sound from either side. Haven't heard too much sound from out there, but obviously it's quiet, so it might just be that we haven't heard it because there's not too many people, but there's definitely people in the room next door here and we don't hear them at all. So that's a positive. I think that's everything about this room. I don't know if there's anything else too you'd like to share.
I think the only thing to note is by the bedsides.
Yeah.
The plugs.
We do have plugs by the bedsides. We have, of course, your standard plug. We then have your USBs. And is that a C drive there as well? Mm-hmm. Yes, that's pretty good. There we go. So, on that note, I think we have one thing left. If you are new to the channel, then one thing we always do, we like to turn the shower on in our room tour so you can see the shower pressure in the water, and we like to jump on the bed to test it out and show you what it's like. Obviously we've slept in this bed for a couple of nights now, we know it's comfortable. It's a very big bed. Probably one of the best parts about the room for me, actually. So, are you ready?
Are you?
I was born ready for this. I'm free. 3,
2, 1. That was a very satisfactory.
Did you notice how I just dropped into it? Like it was not much bounce. We've had some where it's bang. That was nice and soft. Nice drop. It's a very comfortable bed. We'll show you the pillows. They are good. They're comfortable. They're nice. You get a couple of those. Don't really see the point in this pillow personally. I know T's going to tell you it makes the room look nicer, but you know.
Yeah, it goes on the floor
Go
when it's
straight
bedtime.
on the floor when we go to sleep. Overall, we like this room. It's been very nice. We've enjoyed our stay in Memphis. If you enjoyed this video, we will throw a link up to another video we know you'll love. Check out our whole US road trip. There's so much going on there. But for now, that's it from us. We will see you in the next one.